Hi! So today I'm gonna teach you something very simple but very important. If you don't know yet, you can get free palettes in my Gumroad account, and if you subscribe to my NC Friends, you will get each month one palette and one brush with the package. So what you have to do is when you get it, you put your price. If you want to leave me a tip, just go there and press 1, 2, 3, 10, whatever you want to give. Or you can also get it for free by only putting 0. And you say, I want this. So there you write your email address. Let me write another one I have so we can access to it. You just check here, apparently not good enough, and then it processes. So when you have this, you can download it. Then you download, click download again. Once you download it, you can click on your downloads on Safari and click the file to open. Sometimes that doesn't work. As you can see in here in the palette, is not imported on the top. So what you do is that you have to go here in the plus button, new from file, go to recent, and you will find the recent download here. Click on it, and there you go, it's here. I hope this was helpful, and I don't know why, but I think it's a glitch in Procreate. And if you check my video about fonts, you can also see that there is a glitch for importing fonts, and you can check here how it is. You can find all these palettes in my Gumroad account. There are some secret palettes if you belong to the MC Friends. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!